So what we have here is our BB75 blasting box manufactured in the USA. This is a really nice unit. It's very small, it's very rugged. You can see it comes with a silicone rubber boot on it as well, which gives it an added level of impact and water protection. So what this unit basically does is it produces a very high voltage, high power pulse out of the two terminals at the top here. And this allows you to fire tens if not hundreds of E-matches or igniters in series or parallel wired together. So the unit is very simple to use. You simply charge it up, which only takes a few seconds by holding down this button here. And if you happen to let go of the charge button, the capacitor inside it discharges instantly and the unit is safe. So to fire cues, all we would do is charge it up. You can see that the charge indicator is solid, which means it's now charged. And then as long as we're still holding that down, all we need to do is press this button and that will fire the cues like that. Also on the front of the unit here we have a haptic continuity tester. Now what haptic means is that it's going to vibrate, so you're going to feel it as well as seeing it. This is quite useful if it's used outdoors in bright light, and it's better than an audible continuity tester that makes sound, because sometimes you're not going to be able to hear that. So we can test that just now, just using an igniter. So you can see here I've got one of our 1 meter Talon igniters. I'll just touch these to the test terminals. It's very simple to use. And you can hear the motor inside there vibrating. And if you were holding this in your hand, you'd also feel the unit vibrate quite strongly. You can easily feel it through gloves as well, which is very handy. So let's quickly just show you the unit in operation. Again with this Talon igniter. So we're going to unscrew the terminals there, insert our wires, clamp it down like so, and I'm just going to disassemble the Talon a little bit so you can see what's going on inside of it. So the bridge wire is in there, so I'm going to try and operate this unit with one hand, which is a little hard. So hopefully you can see that that's charged, and we'll fire it in 3, 2, 1. So hopefully by just firing one igniter there, you can use that as a good demonstration of how much power this unit produces. Tens if not hundreds of igniters wired in series or parallel using our shooting wire. This way you can fire very, very wide firing fronts, such as hundreds of mines along a bridge, or things like hundreds of fountains all lined up in front of a show.